Chemistry 101. This video is going to be a summary and introduction to chemistry. Now, what does the word chemistry mean? The word chemia in Arabic means chemical, and from it comes alchemy, and from alchemy comes chemistry, which is the study of chemicals and their reactions. Chemistry talks about two things, matter and energy. Matter is anything that has mass and occupies space, and energy is the capacity to supply heat or do work. There are two sides in chemistry. One is pure chemistry, which is the theoretical study of chemistry. Pure chemistry focuses on matter. The other side of chemistry is applied chemistry, which is the application of chemistry. It talks about energy because energy is essential for the chemical reactions to proceed. Pure chemistry talks about atoms, which are the tiny particles that make up everything, elements, which are the different types of atoms, ions, which are electrically charged atoms, molecules, which are a group of atoms, compounds, which are things which were chemically changed, like sodium and chloride, makes something new like salt, mixtures, which were only physically changed, like a salad, and bonding, which talks about how atoms bond with each other. Applied chemistry talks about reactants, which are the substances used to make the product. Then there are catalysts, which are used to make a chemical reaction happen faster, but they are not found in the end product. Kinetics is the study of how fast chemical reaction proceeds from reactants to products. Phases are the states of matter like solid, liquid, gas. pH scale determines whether a substance is an acid or base, and the law of conservation says that no matter or energy can be destroyed or created, they can only change their forms. And now we will move on to the topics in chemistry. Fundamentals of chemistry. It talks about the basic concepts, branches, and definitions of chemistry. Atomic structure. Atoms consist of an extremely small positively charged nucleus surrounded by a cloud of negatively charged electrons. Periodic table. The periodic table is an arranged table of 118 natural chemical elements. Molecular structure. The molecular structure is a structured arrangement of atoms which form a molecule. Acids, bases, and salt. A solution which tastes sour is an acid, and a solution which tastes bitter is a base. A neutral substance formed in an acid or base reaction is salt. For example, a tomato would be considered as an acid, and toothpaste would be considered as a base. Organic and inorganic chemistry. Organic chemistry is the study of structure, properties, and reactions of organic materials. Inorganic chemistry is the study of structure, properties, and reactions of inorganic materials. Organic here means natural, and inorganic means synthesized. Like raw eggs are natural and boiled eggs are synthesized. Hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons are an organic compound consisting entirely of hydrogen and carbon. A major portion of the universe are hydrocarbons. Biochemistry. Biochemistry is the study of chemicals in terms of biological aspects. An example of a chemical in your body is your stomach acid. Chemical bonding. A chemical bond is an attraction between atoms to form a new chemical. There are different types of bonds like an ionic bond, covalent bond, metallic bond, and etc. Thermochemistry. Thermochemistry is the study of chemicals when we provide heat to them. Physical states of matter. The study of converting solid into liquid into gas and vice versa. Solutions. Solutions are a mixture of different components, solutes and solvent. Solute and solvent put together makes a solution. Electrochemistry. Electrochemistry is the study of chemical processes that cause electrons to move. Chemical reactivity. Chemical reactivity is the study of the ability of a substance to undergo a chemical change. Let's take an electrical wire. The inside of it is made from copper, which is a good conductor of electricity, so the copper is reactive. The outside of the electrical wire is made from plastic, an insulator which does not carry an electric current, so plastic is not reactive. Chemical equilibrium. Chemical equilibrium is a state in which the rate of the forward reaction equals to the rate of the backward reaction. This is when the reactants and the product are in the same state. Environmental chemistry. Environmental chemistry is the study of chemical and biochemical phenomena that occur in natural places. An example for a natural chemical phenomena is the rain cycle, and an example of a natural biochemical phenomena is photosynthesis. Chemical industries. This topic talks about the goods and bads of an industry and the benefits and dangers of chemical products. Chemical kinetics. Chemical kinetics is the study of the rate of reactions and processes of chemicals. Basically, it's the study of how fast or slow the reactions and processes are. Analytical chemistry. Analytical chemistry is the studies and uses of instruments and methods to make and perform chemical reactions and products. Quantum chemistry. Quantum chemistry is a study of applying the concepts of chemistry on a quantum level. This is a flowchart of chemistry. On the left is the first top part and on the right is the second bottom part.